Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Michał Smereczyński. Michael will be easier, a lot easier. I'm Microsoft Azure MVP. I'm working as an Azure architect on a daily basis. I would like to tell you today how me and my team is building immutable long-term retention solution for logs. Probably you are generating a lot of logs in your organizations, and how do we analyze those logs if needed. I will not speak about solution where you need to analyze your logs on daily basis, every day, only sometimes. It's really crucial for some industries like telecommunication, like insurance companies, when you need to store a lot of data, log data, and for some time, maybe once a year, 2 times a year, you need to analyze it because someone asked you for doing it. In telecommunication, it's totally normal. So you are forced to store a lot of data you are not using on daily basis. So this is not an income for your company, it's a cost, but you need to do it because of regulations. So, as first, we need a storage, a cheap storage as first. So we will use Azure Blob Storage. It's cheap. If you use Blob Storage, you know that it's totally, this is not an expense if you are storing your amount of data. Even if you are storing petabytes of data, it will be cheap on your scale. But it's not only about a price. Azure Blob Storage is having on locally redundant SKU 11/9 of SLA for object persistence. For geo-redundant SKU, it is having 16/9 of SLA for object persistence. So it's a good solution for storing data you need to persist for many years. 2, 3, 5, sometimes 10 years. In my country, in Poland, medical companies need to store data for 15 years. So it's a lot of time you need to store your data. For us, key features of Azure Blob Storage is that it's REST API, so we can connect from any point on any application. We can use Azure CLI or client libraries. So we have tools already developed. We don't need to develop our own tools. If we need to, we have SDKs ready to use. We are using mostly Python SDK to communicate with storage. Transferring logs to Azure Blob Storage is incredibly easy. It's just one command you need to do with Azure CLI. You are just pointing for a file you need to transfer to account, Azure Storage account name. You need to point to container you are transferring data to, and the name of a blob you are creating in Azure, nothing more. Next, we want to have this data in Azure Blob Storage immutable. So I want to point a date in the future, and before this date, the data need to be immutable. So I and someone else should not be able to change this data or remove this data. Only create new blobs in this storage accounts. And it's possible with Azure Blob Storage immutable storage. It's write once, read many state, so we can write to this storage account, but we can then only read from it. And immutable storage for Azure Blob helps organization to address SEC 78 regulations. So if you are a commercial, let's say banking organization, insurance organization, telecommunication organization, and you are planning to create immutable storage also on premises, you need to fulfill these norms and certifications. So using Azure Blob Storage, you already have it out of the box without additional costs. Key features of immutable storage is a time-based solution, so I'm pointing date in the future, as I told you, and the second is legal hold policy. So if I will decide that some data in a blob storage need to be held because of some local cases, I can hold it until I will delete this hold from the storage. And creating it, it's incredibly simple, like working with blob storage account. So when I have account created, I'm just pointing this storage account and container. I would like to set immutability on it, and then I'm just pointing a period of days I want to create an immutability policy in. So it can be 1 day, it can be 365 days, it can be 400 years in Azure Blob Storage. Do you need to have a storage immutable for 400 years? Maybe here? Simon. Yeah. And policy created in that way is just a little bunch of code where e-tag is interesting us because it's an identifier of our just created policy. After that, when we create this policy, we can use it in Azure. It will work. So we will transfer data to Azure account, and it will be not possible to delete this data before the date we pointed. But if we want to be compliant with international norms and certifications, we need to lock this account. After locking this policy on container you are pointing, you will be not able to unlock it until this date. Even you as an owner of subscription, as a person who is paying for Azure subscription, you are not able to unlock this storage account. So it's really secure, and you need to pay for it for 400 years. So be careful when locking immutability policy. Of course, it's possible to remove whole subscription in Azure, but then you are losing all the data and other services you are having there. For lock, we just need to point for storage account, container in the storage account, and policy we want to lock. So all the things we need to do from the beginning to this time, it's just a single command in Azure CLI. It can be done through the PowerShell, of course, REST API to Azure management APIs, or SDKs for popular programming languages. Okay, so let's see how does it work. I have some logs. Let's say an Apache log, Apache web server logs. It don't need to be Apache log, of course. We are storing it for some reasons because we are working for government organizations and they need to have logs from all the people entering their services for 5 years. So we are storing it there. And now if we want to transfer it to Azure Blob Storage, it's just a single command, as you can see. On single container in Azure Blob Storage, you have 500 input-output operations per second and 60 megabytes per second. So there is a lot of throughput you can use to transfer data to one storage account. Okay, let's see. I have this data here. And as a typical storage account, of course, I can delete this data with no problems. It's deleted. So let's try again. And we have data back. Now we will create an immutability policy on this container with period of 1 day, not 400 years, to lock it. So in 24 hours, starting from now, it will be not possible to change this data or to delete this data. I'm able to transfer new data to this container. If I will transfer next 5 to the storage account, let's say in 1 hour, it will be immutable for 1 day, starting from the point when I send it to the storage account, not from this point in time. So let's check if it is true. One hint, Azure sometimes need up to 30 seconds to set policy on account. So be careful when you are creating new policy on it. Okay, I cannot delete this file because this operation is not permitted as the blob is immutable due to policy, even if I am owner of this subscription. Next, if we have this data on this storage account, a lot of data, let's say 2 petabytes of data in Europe or in US, because it's a limit of single storage account. And you can have as many storage accounts as you want to have. But single account is 2 petabytes big. So we are storing this data for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, and for time to time some, let's say, authorities are coming to you and asking what happened 3 years ago on this endpoint. And you need to answer this question because it's your client or maybe it is your organization. So it's up to you to answer this question. Of course, you can transfer all this data to the authority if it is possible, but from Azure, probably it's a little bit expensive, transferring, let's say, 2 petabytes of data, because you are paying for every byte transferred out from the region. For this, we are using Azure Databricks. Azure Databricks is an Apache Spark as a service in Azure. It is not always possible to use this solution because it's third party for Microsoft, but then you can use HD inside clusters in Azure. But Databricks is comfortable for any person, and doesn't matter if it is a developer or administrator. Key features of Databricks is that it's fully managed Spark cluster, so you don't need to have a knowledge about Spark at all, trust me. And it is having an interactive workspaces with visualization possibilities, and it's a platform that can empower your favorite Spark-based solutions. So if you have Spark-based solutions already developed, or you can buy it for third party, you can run it on Databricks. So no development is needed, and it's serverless. In fact, there is a cluster beneath your calculations, but you are not managing this cluster. So from your perspective, it's serverless. Let's see, how does it look? Okay. So, this is Databricks. The authentication and authorization is made by Azure Active Directory. So if your organization is using Office 365 or Azure Active Directory itself, you can authorize your users to log in to Databricks. And as first, my Databricks workspace is connected to blob storage you've seen on the first demo. So it's THR2081 WASB blob core Windows Net. So it's typical storage account in Azure Blob. I'm mounting it on a cluster as a MNT access logs. So it's local directory from the cluster perspective. And the authorization to the storage account is made through the scope, the key vault from Databricks perspective. In fact, it's Azure Key Vault. Oh, internet was lost, so refresh. I'm using Azure Key Vault to authenticate to the storage account, so you are not forced to share storage account key with developers or administrators. So you are compliant on any level of this operation. We can check if I have data on this storage account from the cluster perspective. As you can see, there is one file, the access log I have transferred already. Then, let's say that some authority is coming to you and ask questions about data you are storing in those files. Those files don't need to be structured at all. You are creating workspaces like this. This is written in Python, and you can analyze this data stored on the storage account. Here, I'm creating a MapReduce operation to map data in a text file. Yeah, you see that it's just an Apache web server log file. I'm splitting it to data types, typical Python data types, and storing it in memory. Databricks is working like a broker, which is dividing your data to many tables and moving it into memory of the cluster, operational memory, in random access memory. Yeah? So it's really, really quick. If you are analyzing logs on daily basis, let's say in Log Analytics or Splunk or something like this, you will probably notice that just pushing this data into memory took a lot of time in comparison it to tools which we are using for Log Analytics. Yes, just because it's not Log Analytics solution. It's big data analytics solution. So we are not treating logs like a typical logs. We are treating logs like big data, answering questions, operating on big amount of data, not daily basis log analytics. Okay, my data is in memory, so let's ask some questions. I want to know what is average content size in my logs. Minimum, maximum, and average of content size in these logs. It's one line of code and 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of printing the answer. And after 6 seconds, we have an answer. Let's go ahead. I want to check a response codes in this data. So I know that I have 90,200 codes, 4,404 codes, and so on and so on. It's just a one line of code written in Python. Next, it would be cool to get text file a log file and create a SQL table from it and write a SQL query asking a flat text file about what is inside. So let's create a table. As you can see, I have a SQL table with a simple schema corresponding to map operation from the first part of the workbook. And next, it's a SQL query. Select endpoint and content size in megabytes from table logs, order it by content size, decreasing and limit to 10 first answers. It's easy. Of course, if you are doing stuff like this, you need some graphs, because log analyzers loves graphs, business loves graphs. So if you want to, you can have a pie chart. Or if you don't like pie charts, it's possible to get, let's say, a bar chart or a pivot. So you can do a big magic with this stuff if needed. And what I mean saying if needed, everything you saw is done by a cluster I created today. This cluster is built from 4 workers, 14 gigabytes, and 4 cores each. If we will edit it, look, I can set that it should terminate after 30 minutes of inactivity. So I don't need to kill this cluster. It will shut down itself. When I need it, it is bringed up. I'm doing my calculations, my analysis, and after 30 minutes of inactivity, it will just shut down. You are paying only for you are using. It's Azure. There is also one unsupported scenario in this story, because probably thinking about storing a lot of data for 15 years, you thought about Data Lake. There is a Data Lake Generation 2 in Azure built on top of Azure Blob Storage, but for today it is not supported to create immutability policy on it. You can do it. It will work, but you will be not able to delete data from this data lake, even if policy goes after the period you created. So you can use it, but you will not delete data. It's immutable in 100%. But I have information from yesterday from Storage Product Group that probably next calendar year it will be possible to use immutability policy on Data Lake Storage Generation 2. On Data Lake Storage Generation 2, you are able to store multiple petabytes of data. So there is no Azure Blob Storage limit on it. And it's Hadoop compatible and POSIX compatible. I can show you how does it look in a real-life scenario and what is the difference. Oh. Okay. We will check how many space you have on Data Lake Storage Generation 2. Do anyone know what is the limit at this point in time? It's 8 exabytes of data on single data lake storage. 1 exabyte is 1,000 of petabytes. 1,000 of petabytes, 1 petabyte is 1,000 of terabytes. 1 terabyte is 1,000 gigabytes. I'm not saying 1,024 because, you know, it's physical storage. We are counting in other manner. So if you are planning storing more than 2 petabytes of data, probably you should wait to next year having immutability policy available for Data Lake. But if it is not a problem and you can switch a context in your analysis tool like Databricks, use Azure Blob Storage for it. So thank you, and please evaluate this session. I believe you can create a lot of good stuff based on this session. We are using it on production, so you can believe me that it works. If you have any questions, I will be somewhere around and you can ask your questions. I will be happy to answer. Thank you very much.